IRCC is watching and your social media could just sink your application. So let's talk about how your social media can make or break your future in Canada. Back in 2019, there was this one case before the federal court where a permanent residence application was refused after the officer made a simple online search. So the applicant was applying as a skilled worker, and as part of the application assessment, the officer just did a simple Google search and found out that the applicant was mentioned as the executive officer of a company on the company's website. And he also looked at the LinkedIn profile for the applicant, and the LinkedIn profile mentioned that he was also a member of the board of this company. Now, the applicant did not actually include this information as part of his employment history in his permanent residence application. Now, the officer provided the applicant with an opportunity to explain why this information was not included, but the applicant just said that he was working pro bono for this company, and that was it. The officer did not find this explanation to be enough, made a finding of misrepresentation, and refused the application. Now, this case happened back in 2019, before social media even became what it is now. It's so ingrained in our daily lives. Now, today, almost everything about our lives is online. Pictures, status updates, our job history, even our relationship status. Now, just imagine, if IRCC was using online searches back then to verify information, just imagine how much deeper they're looking into your online profile right now. In September 2024, IRCC reported a 600% increase in investigation of potential misrep for temporary resident visa applications. Now, this is compared to the same period in the previous year, September 2023. This massive jump just shows that IRCC is taking this very seriously. Now, it's important to remember that misrepresentation doesn't just mean lying. It can be even innocent mistakes or incomplete information. IRCC isn't just reviewing the application that you submit at that time. They have every single previous application you submitted before, and they're also checking every single bit of publicly available information online to validate whatever information it is that you're submitting. That includes social media, so Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, even Twitter or X. So all of those social media platforms can be sources of information, and they will try to verify the information that you submitted. For example, you claim to be single for a specific period of time during your application, but your Facebook status shows that you were in a relationship. Misrep. What happens if you apply for a study permit and you claim that you have a certain job history, but your LinkedIn profile shows different dates? Misrep. What if you start posting photos of you living outside Canada while applying for spousal sponsorship? Could that create doubts about your cohabitation? Maybe. Could lead to a finding of misrepresentation. So here are my tips to protect your application. Always review whatever it is that you've posted in the past. Go through your social media. Remove anything that could be misunderstood. I'm not saying that you need to lie. Just make sure that the information that you have online is not something that could be misunderstood. Present yourself online always in a way that aligns with your immigration goals. Understand that your digital history can and will be used as part of your application evaluation. Remember, IRCC is watching, and what you post online matters. A mistake, a mismatch, contradicting information can cost you dearly. Be proactive. Review whatever it is you post online and make sure that your claim aligns with the information on your application and on your online profiles. If you want to make sure that your digital footprint doesn't sink your application, let's talk. Either drop a question or comment below or book a consultation. And don't forget, share this information with someone that you think may benefit from it. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.